finisher. Oh my word. I mean,
you don't bank on that, do you?
The manager went aggressive with his formation, but such is the second goal. Lunin just gets caught. I think he's anticipating the back post and just gets stuck by Pavlovic, but that's not Champions League quarter-final goalkeeping. He's got absolutely caught. He ends up well in the back of the net. It's never a foul. Company can't believe his luck. Two unbelievable.
And this is all about goalkeepers, isn't it? What about this, Joseph?
First of all, the free kick they say is amazing. It asks questions, but I just couldn't believe Neuer, how he set behind the line. Now, as much as he wants to get over and save that, you'll see Neuer, if he's in front of the line, he can fly after that. But his brain tells him, you can't dive that man because you're in line with the post. If you've not got a crash out on your body, it's really strange positioning for me from Manuel Neuer to be behind the line.
Well, Bayern then came back into it. Harry Kane with this one, pretty typical finish for a player like him.
How about that? Slides it in. Way too much space for Harry Kane. Touching the box, gets it header. What a brilliant finish. What a brilliant game of football so far.
It's been incredible. Just when you think that...
Ball from Vinny Jr., the weight of it in the finish. We said at the top of the pitch, it's everywhere. There's goals everywhere. Yeah. What a game so far.
It's been absolutely incredible. If it carries on like this, I think the post-match is going to carry on a long time, isn't it? Do stay with us. Plenty more coming up then in that second half. Stars everywhere on the pitch their part, and this is an absolute drama unfolding at the Arena. Second half is coming up after this.
This bout is brought to you by Walkers, UEFA Champions League official partner.
Celebrate the 50th year of Crucible Magic.
Simply sensational. Another moment of history at the Crucible.
The World Snooker Championship, live on TNT Sports.
The UEFA quarter-finals.
Bring the desire.
Only then will your story continue. The UEFA quarter-finals on TNT Sports.
TUI gives you more outfit choices with 20 kg of luggage allowance as standard. More hotels designed around you, like that swim up suite. More race you to the bottom, water parks on site. More, that looks good. More peace of mind with 24/7 support. And more ways to book on app, in store, or online. You book it to TUI.